In the previous videos, we were looking at doing a smoothing involving the mean. Well, we can also use the medians to smooth out data as well. So here we've got construct a 3 median smoothed plot of the time series shown below. So you can see here what I've got there is I've got the plot already done. This is a very common exam question where they'll ask you to find the median in a particular series there. And when they're asking for the median, the three medians, what you're looking at is you're going across reading from left to right. So and I find it's much easier maybe to highlight perhaps. So I'm going to just deal with these. And what it's asking for is to find the median. The median of the horizontal and the median of the vertical. So the median of the horizontal is the easiest. It's going to be the second position here. So that's the median. And then what we have to do is to find the median of the heights. So here I've got, that's a 25, that's 18, and that is 23. And it's quite clear that the median for this one here, the middle number is going to be 23. So that is where I will put my first mark. It's going to be the medians there. And then I continue that trend for the next three. So here's my next three. So I need to find the median of the horizontal and the vertical. Well, the horizontal is the easiest. So it's always going to be the middle. But what's the middle value here? Well, it's going to be this one here. So this, because that's the highest, that's the lowest, that's the middle. There we go. That's those three. And then I'm going to go with the next three along. What's the median value there? The median is in fact actually smack bang in. It is this one. Because that's the one that's in the middle of the three if I looked horizontally. And then when I look vertically, that is in the middle. And now we've made our median smoothed plot. The only thing we need to do now is to just draw in all the lines to connect them to each other. So remember, whenever you do time series plots, all the graphs have to be connected to each other. So there we go. There we are. There we are. There we are. There we go. There we are. There we go. And there we go. We've constructed our smoothed median plot. There's a decreasing trend, but I guess you kind of already figured that one out anyway just by looking at it. On the bottom of my examples, I've got what I call training wheels, which was just if you are struggling to see it visually, you could always do it numerically or using the spreadsheet option, which is fine. Essentially, all I would need to do is I would just need to set it up like I normally would. So we're just going to type in the values that I can see here. So this is 25, 18, 23, 21, 19, 20, 18, 16, 17, and 15. So where did I get those numbers from? That's just me reading the top. So that top one is 25. This one was at 18. This one was at 23. This one was at 21, and so on. And then I just do median, highlight those three, and then I can do that edit, fill range, and I've just got all the values numerically there as well. However, I don't know about you. I find just doing it visually, just doing it chunks at a time easier because I'm just finding whatever's the middle and then plotting accordingly. But if you're the kind of person who needs numbers and needs it all nicely in a table, then please do this method. Then that would also be fine as well. Exercise 6C.2. Below is a time series plot of Melbourne's maximum temperature in March 2019, as taken from the Coldstream Weather Station. Construct a 5 median smoothed curve on this plot. Now, there's two ways you can go about doing this. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We would find the middle of the middle, which is this third line here, this third one here, and find what the middle height is. I've got 2 at the top, then this one, then these two. So the middle is going to be right here at 36, is going to be our middle Y value, or the middle temperature. And then I can keep going and get to the next height along. So these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and find what the median is for this one. And the median is quite clearly going to be at this 34. Now, if you're a visual person, then that could probably be very easy for you to do, either using a ruler or things like that. If you're much more of a numbers person, then I'd highly recommend using your CAS. You can see here what I've done is I've set up I've put in all the values in here, and then what I've done is I've just entered I've done the formula for 5 median smoothing. And so in case you aren't sure, so what I would do is I'll go and type in median and then click on 5. And then what I would do is I would highlight. Now, just to be aware, this is one of the issues with the CAS is sometimes it doesn't like to go up to more than one screen. So you may have to do that fill cell a couple of times just to get all of your values in. So now the last, so 36, 34, 30. And there we go, we have made our curve. Just need to connect them all together. Please make sure when you do this for realsies that you use a ruler, as opposed to this mess that I'm doing. Try that again. I was wondering why that was doing that. There you go. And so there's our smoothed median curve. The time series plot shows the number of calls each month to a call center over a 12-month period. The plot is to be smoothed using 5-point median smoothing. The number of calls for month number 10, smooth number of calls for month number 10 is closest to. So we're month number 10, there it is. The 5 months, so let's highlight this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What's the middle number what's the middle height between those? So it's going to be this height there, I reckon. That'll be that one there, which should be at 375. Done. Boom. The example 6C.4, the 5 points shown on the grid have been taken from a time series plot that is to be smoothed using median smoothing. The coordinates of the median of these 5 points are one of those. So the median of these 5 points, well, so let's go with the median of the horizontal. So the median of the horizontal is 3. The median of the heights, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's going to be, which one's the middle height? That's that one there. So this should be the middle point here. So I'd say it's 3, 2. We always read the horizontal first. So our answer is 3, 2.